Good morning, dear students. Today we will learn about area of different shapes. So let's start.
Dear students, as you know, sum of all the sides of a figure is its perimeter. But students, do you know what is the inner part of the figure? The amount of a surface covered by a figure is known as the area of a figure. Look students, here I have two notebooks. Now we will make an outline of these notebooks on a paper with the help of the pencil. Students, let's color the inner part of the figure which we have made. See students, we have colored the inner part of the figure. Now students, tell me which figure occupies more space? Right students, this figure has occupied more space. Also we have used more color in this figure because surface area of this figure is greater than the other one. See students, I want to paint this wall and cost of painting this wall is rupees 5 per meter square. Now I will see how much money should be spent on painting this wall. To calculate it, I need measurement of length and breadth of this wall. Its length is 4 meters and its breadth is 3 meters. Students, now we know the length and breadth of this wall, but we need to find the amount of surface covered by this wall. For this, we have to find the area of this wall. As the wall is rectangle, the area is equal to length multiplied by breadth. After multiplication, we got 12 square meters. Students, this is the area where we want to paint. Now, to paint the wall, how much money I have to spend? For painting, cost of 1 square meter is equal to rupees 5. Then cost of 12 square meter is equal to 12 into 5, 60 rupees. So students, what we need to find for paint the wall? Its area. Students, lights around the wall is its perimeter, but the surface covered with paint is its area. Students, today I thought to planting grass in my garden. Cost of planting grass is 2 rupees per square meter. Here, what we need to find? Students, we will find the surface where we want to plant the grass. For this, we will find the area of the park. As my park is of square shaped and its all sides are equal, the area is equal to side into side. Here, side of the park is equal to 5 meters. Then area of the park is equal to 5 into 5, 25 square meter. So students, for planting grass in the park, how much money I have to spend? Cost of planting grass in 1 square meter is equal to 2 rupees. Then cost of planting grass in 25 square meter is equal to 25 into 2 equal to 50 rupees. For finding the area of any region, we consider squares of 1 meter, 1 centimeter and 1 millimeter. If side of a square is equal to 1 millimeter, then area of square is 1 square millimeter. If side of a square is equal to 1 centimeter, then area of square is 1 square centimeter. If side of a square is equal to 1 meter, then area of square is equal to 1 square meter. See students, here I have some square pieces. One side of a square is equal to 1 unit. The area of a square is also equal to 1 square unit. Students, I want to see the area of upper side of this copy. For this, I put square pieces on the top of the copy. See students, I filled the top of the copy with square pieces. Now we will see its area. Its area is 63 square units. Now, from the following figures, we will find the largest and the smallest one. See our first figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Area is 12 square unit. Now see our second figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Area is 11 square unit. Now see our third figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Area is 14 square unit. From these following figures, this figure is the largest and this figure is the smallest one. So students, today we have learned to find the area of different figures. Now it's time for homework. Students, find the area of given figures and note down on your copy. Thank you. Have a nice day.